Are you interested in game development courses? Well, in this video, I'm gonna cover some of the most popular ones that are over on Udemy. Now, you can sort by duration right here. You can choose by specific subcategory, and you can also choose your level right here. Now, these are some of the best game development courses you can find over on Udemy, but these are not only the ones you can take. There are a variety and pages of other courses in this same category, so be sure to explore. Now, I'll leave a link to this page in the links in the description. Check out more courses as well. The first one I would encourage you to start with or check out is the complete C# Unity game developer 2D. Now, this one is quite expensive, but it is one of the most popular courses in this category. If you want to create a Unity game engine and you are just a beginner, you know nothing about coding, but you want to create your own game, playable projects, this is the course for you. You will learn anything there is to object-oriented programming, which you can learn in Python as well on YouTube and other courses, but this one is an 18-hour video that is specific to C# Unity game development. You get a variety of resources, a certificate of completion, and it's about $47 via the links in the description. Next one is the Unreal Engine 5 C++ developer. Learn C++ and make video games. Now, C++ is a language that is widely used in creating graphics, epic games, and so much more. Now, you will learn it in this very course and use it to create your own video games. It's had over 300,000 students. It's one of the most popular courses in this category of C++. Now, it's 29 hours long with a certificate of completion and 8 articles to complete. Now, check out this breakdown right here and see what you're gonna learn inside this very course if you decide to take it. The next one is the Unreal Engine 5, the complete beginners course. You will learn video game development and how to design a game from scratch using Unreal Engine 5. 45,000 students. It's quite popular in this category as well, but if you want to learn from scratch, this is the perfect course for you. You build realistic environments for games to take place in, and these are all taught in this 10-hour course, as well as 2 articles provided with a certificate of completion at the end of it. The next one is the All About Gaming Industry Careers and Game Design Fundamentals. You learn how to create games, and this is quite newish, but it has only had 2,000 students. The reason I included this is that you will learn to prepare for a job in the game industry. If you want to take a career like that, this is the perfect course for you. You can take this one after you have mastered your game development skills, and you learn how to prepare for a job once you're ready. The other one is the Beginner Guide to Animation in Unity V5 to V2020 Plus. Now, this one is quite unique because you learn how to use keyframes, curves, inverse kinematics, and blending. So much more is taught in this course. Is the reason as to why I would encourage it as well. It's quite short, 11 hours, and certificate of completion with lots of resources you can check out as well. The last one is the complete C# plus Unity game development 3D. This one is to create games in 3D, and this has had over 100,000 students. You can check it out as well. It's an awesome course. You will learn to create games in 2.5D and 3D using Unity. Now, this is all there is that I would encourage you to take, but there are other courses you can take as well. Now, with that said, it's 30 hours long with certificate of completion. Check out these breakdowns and see if this is the course for you. If you like more videos, there are more on the screen right now. Cheers.